push stick, push stick. This push stick works, but it's actually too small, and it doesn't actually give any force at the front here. So what I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to make a push stick from this. Now this is just a bit of pallet wood. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to kind of make a fruit plate for the table saw, because this is I'll show you. Come with me. So, fruit plate on this cheap table saw is when you got small pieces, you can get your finger in there, and also it's cracked and it's actually very flimsy. So I'm going to make, from this pallet wood, I'm going to make a push stick, and I'm also going to make a fruit plate from it as well. So let's get on with it. Okay, so now I need to edge one of the sides because it was a pallet, as I said. So I'm going to use my homemade edging jig.
Try giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it. Thought that we could work it out, but it's no use. I think I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm feeling good without you. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. I tried to be perfect and keep you happy all the time, but I didn't know that you wanted somebody else. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. It's alright, it's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be, I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. Oh, hurt me back. It's alright, it's alright.
So this piece of wood has actually got a split here, which goes from about here to here. So I'll be using this side for the push stick, and then I'll use this for the fruit plate. So I'm going to cut it roughly around here and then draw the design on it.
I did everything for you, even though you gave me nothing, but I guess that I wasn't enough this time. I tried to be perfect and keep you happy all the time. I didn't know that you wanted somebody else. Now I don't want nothing to do with you. It's alright, it's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be, I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want you back. No, you'll hurt me bad. It's alright, it's okay, it's alright. I tried giving you my heart, I tried giving you my heart. Now I know you didn't want it. I tried giving you my heart, I tried giving you my heart. It's alright, it's okay, I don't need you anyway, so let me be, I'm doing fine. Don't you waste your precious time. I don't want
So there's the basic shape, and it's got the hook here, and basically it's going to be quite a good handheld to push on it. So I thought about drilling some holes and then making a handle inside, but I'm thinking I'm going to try to put a piece on each side, because this is going to be above the fence. If I put a handle on the top, which then gives me more surface area to hold on to, then I can hold it more securely. So that's the way I'm thinking. So I just need to cut these because this is a scrap from here. So if I use this up here, I can just make it that long.
Now I know you didn't want it. I guess that I wasn't enough this time.
As this is a cheap table saw, you can see in the actual throat plate that it's actually quite flimsy. I had tried reinforcing it before, but it's not made any difference. And the hole is actually quite a big gap. So when you're actually sawing, you've got the chance of small pieces falling down. So hopefully this will be a zero tolerance plate. So we've got to take this out and then mark it on here, and then make it the right thickness and cut it out. these two things have just made it so much better. The table saw is cheap, and I'm not going to deny it. That's probably why you've got this. But now with these added two things, I can now use this knowing that I'm actually going to be safer. The push stick gives more control across the whole length. The throat plate, just it's zero tolerance, so zero clearance. So it does actually make a big difference. You've got just the blade exposed, there's no gaps for anything to fall down, and if you think about it, how often do you actually change the angle on the blade? Most of the time I use it in this position anyway. So I think that this and this total, why didn't I do it before? Why has it taken so long? It's just one of those things that you don't think of, but has actually made a big difference. And I can say the finish of this piece of wood that I just cut, it's so much better. And there is actually no real burn marks. When I cut the push stick, and there was burn marks, but yeah, it's made a big difference. So if you like the project, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and it's just, I just kicking myself now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Ta-da.